Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade guys, and you're trying to replace your timing sensor on a 2.4 multi-air engine, stay with us guys and we will explain what needs to be done from start to finish. It's not as easy as you think guys. Most people just think you remove it and replace it, but there is a little trick, so make sure you stay with us until the end. Now this is the engine guys. You do not have to remove the engine out of the car to do that. Why we have it out? Because we'll probably have more than 100 videos on that engine guys. We'll try to show you how to fix pretty much anything on it. We do all that guys so we can save you money. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also, every car we get at the shop we'll be making at least 200 videos guys, so we can save you more money. Now let's go ahead, start on it and show you what needs to be done for that timing sensor replacement. So let me show you guys, okay, where that timing sensor is located. Okay, you can see serpentine belt, this one guys. Okay, when you open the hood of your car, okay, you will face the engine this way. Okay, it will be like that guys. You will face it this way. So on the left side you have the serpentine belt. This is your valve cover, okay, and right here guys, okay, if you look more this way, okay, right there, this is your timing sensor, that little guy. And this is guys the connector, okay, right here for that timing sensor. Unfortunately guys, okay, here in the US, in the United States, I cannot find a replacement for that sensor. I called a few places and the only thing that they offer me is the whole brick. It's called the whole brick. It's the whole timing control module guys. And that thing is expensive. We'll have it in the description of the video below, the link. Now, if you're in England or Europe guys, Italy, because that's Italian engine as well, it's used on Fiat, you can find the sensor only. Okay, so you can replace it, but how you guys replace that sensor? Okay, you're going to need a special socket, or you will need to cut one so you can get the wires through it. It's kind of like that but smaller. That's a big one. We don't have a small one, but that way with the side cut you'll be able to go through the wires, okay, and you will be able guys, okay, to get on top of it and remove it. Now this is a very big socket, but we'll have the links in the description of the video below to see where you can purchase one if you need to, because with a wrench it's practically impossible to get it guys. We tried and we're going to damage it, okay, if we keep doing that. So you can see guys, that's it. But stay with us. What we will show you guys, okay, how to go ahead, remove the whole brick assembly, the whole control module assembly, because if you're in the US most likely you will need to do that, and what needs to be done to replace it. So guys, let me explain quick. Okay, if the engine is in the vehicle you'll face it that way when you open the hood. Right here you have the air filter box, so stay with us, we'll explain what you need to do. First, you need to remove your engine cover. Just pull it straight up. Okay, it has 4 rubber bushings that it attaches to. 1, 2, 3, 4, and those guys they attach to the valve cover. Let us explain you where now, guys. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll show you guys what you need to do now. So right here you have the air filter box guys. This is the hose for the intake, okay, and you need to get that hose clamp loose, and once you get it loose you can go ahead and pull the hose out. Okay, you just unscrew it with a flathead screwdriver like this one here. Okay, we'll need to do one more on this side, on the throttle body. Okay, check it out, just get it loose there as well. Now this is the intake temperature sensor. Remove that one as well. Let me go on the other side so I can show you a little bit better where things are a little bit limited room. Here guys, you're going to have one clip. That clip will look like the clip right here, but it's broken. You go with the clip removal tool underneath and you pull that clip out. Then you have a 10mm bolt holding right there. Go ahead, remove it guys. Okay, like that. And you can grab that piece and pull it up. So you can see that's some of the first steps about removing the valve cover. Okay, to remove that valve cover out of the engine now guys. Next, you can see where your engine cover attaches on top. Okay, this thing will need to come out. Okay, like that. Just unscrew it right here. Do not lose that thing guys, very important not to lose it. So next, right here you can see we need to disconnect, okay, that clamp. Okay, push down on it, perfect, like that. Remove that nut, 10 millimeter. Now this is your camshaft position sensor. Disconnect it. Okay, press, okay, that thing, ours is broken, that brown thing. You need to push it up. Then you're going to press here and pull it out. Okay, like that. And that coolant pipe actually attaches to the coolant reservoir. Right here it says bottle. Check it out. One clamp, remove it. Okay, and you can go ahead and pull it out, or you just pull it out of the engine and you flip it on the side, guys. What else we need to do? Quite a bit of work here now, guys. We need to disconnect our wiring harness, and now the interesting part is here, because we'll need to start taking things apart. And first we need to remove the ignition coils. Okay, let me focus quick here. That red thing, press it back, push down, now right here, and disconnect the coils one by one. Perfect, this one is out too, just press, disconnect them. Okay, and we can go ahead and remove the ignition coils now with a 10 millimeter socket that we'll need to do, guys. And you can see each of the ignition coils, it has one bolt that we need to remove. Perfect, next. Grab them, pull them out, guys. Okay, we dropped one of our bolts, so pick it up if you do that. Leave your spark plugs in, because if you drop anything you can pull it out later, otherwise it's going to end up in the engine. You can see how deep that hole is. Unbelievable. Next, guys, we have a few more things to do here. We will disconnect the wiring harness now. Okay, you're going to have clips, guys, plastic clips like this one here, and you remove them with a clip removal tool. Go underneath, okay, underneath right here. When you get it loose, right there, that way you will not break it, guys. Okay, because somebody already broke it, the one here, and you're going to have one right there. You see, this is broken, this one is good. So if you can go underneath, go ahead and pull them that way. Perfect. Here, guys, we have one sensor that we need to disconnect. Okay, like that. Okay, you can check it out. PCV hose on the back side there, disconnect it as well. Okay, great. Now let's see what else we need to do here in order, guys, to be able to pull that valve cover out. Everything else should be good there. 8 millimeter socket, and we start removing bolts, guys. Get them loose, you will not be able to pull them out. Some may come out, but you actually have to keep them on the cylinder head, and we'll explain later how to replace them as well. If you need to buy a new gasket, we'll have, guys, the link in the description of the video below, so check it out. Okay, where we get ours from. Okay, I'm trying to show you where all the bolts are to follow the action. Perfect. Right here in the middle we have 4 more that are hidden. That impact is amazing, guys. We have it listed in the description of the video below in case you want to get one. Saves you so much time. Perfect. Now that gasket might be stuck, guys, so you might need to pry here a little bit with a screwdriver. Okay, just careful if it's not coming out, probably something's still holding. Okay, a little bit in the back it's holding, so let's pry a little bit there. One more bolt. I told you, guys, if it may be stuck, okay, it may be stuck, but if it's not coming, okay, loose after you pry it a little bit. Don't force it, guys. So after you get the valve cover loose and everything, make sure it's not holding anything, you go ahead, grab it and pull it out. Okay, you can see, and it's out of the way, guys. This is what the engine looks like. This is your camshaft right here. This is the exhaust camshaft. You do not have intake camshaft. Each pair of the valves for each cylinder are controlled by one of the timing solenoids right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is your timing sensor here. Now we'll need to start disconnecting them. This is the wire for the timing sensor. Okay, go ahead, pull that thing back. The yellow thing needs to be back, and then disconnect it from that holder. Perfect. Same thing applies to those. Okay, you need to press them hard, because they do get stuck a little bit. Okay, second one, then number 3, and then we just have number 4 after that left. Okay, perfect. Now guys, we need an Allen wrench. Allen wrench 6mm. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos, guys, you can find. Okay, we're going to have all that in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys, for your convenience. This will be even better if you go in a cross pattern to remove them, one on the left, one on the right. You want to leave this bolt and the bolt right there last. Okay, these 2 bolts need to be last because they have guides. Perfect. So now okay, we can go ahead and pull it out. You're going to have a gasket underneath. Okay, one of the bolts is still holding just a little bit. Okay, one of the guides just fell. It's a good thing it didn't fall in the engine, because if that thing falls in the engine, okay, you're going to mess up your gasket, guys, here. Our gasket came loose. And I forgot to show you guys, okay, the engine needs to be at TDC point. Okay, when you do that, top dead center, guys. Okay, top dead center, and we'll show you in a second how to do that. So with a 22mm socket, we brought it to TDC. This is the mark here, and you have one mark on the crankshaft pulley. Okay, it needs to be a TDC when you before you remove it, guys. This is the gasket for the timing control block right here. It's recommended to replace that every time as well. So the sensor now, you can see, guys, the timing sensor, it's on the back side. Okay, I'm talking about the sensor right here. Now when you remove it, it's a little bit easier to maybe remove it, but without a special side cut socket you might have a hard time, and other than that, guys, okay, that's how you do it. But in the US you buy the whole block, and in my opinion, if the sensor went out, probably it's worth it to get the whole block, because maybe one of those will go out soon as well. So check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. We'll have the link where you can purchase one for me if you need to. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment, guys. It may take us a little bit of time, but we'll try our best to make a video for your problem, guys. Take advantage of us. Okay, we're trying to save you as much money as we can, guys. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you guys next time.